So we discussed about meat. Now we'll see the structure of muscles. That is basically the major building block of all the tissues. So if we talk about the muscle tissue, fiber is the smallest unit of any muscle. And these fibers then join together to form bundles. These bundles are also called technically as fasciculi. And these fasciculi are basically joined together by connective tissue. These connective tissues can also have fatty deposits as well in those muscle tissues, and then this is covered by membranes. So this is the structure of muscle tissue. If we talk about the connective tissue, that basically binds these fibers together to make these bundles or fasciculi. It also binds these muscles to the bones as well. There are two types of connective tissue. One is called as collagen, and the second one is called as elastin. When this collagen is heated during cooking, this is converted into a commonly known food additive called as gelatin. This gelatin is added as a food additive in so many food products, and it comes from skins and hides of animals. If we talk about the amount of connective tissue that can be present in any kind of muscle, that would depend upon the kind of muscles that we are talking about, as well as the use of that muscle. For example, in case of muscles of legs, they are the longer muscles. They are used for, they have plenty of use, during walking or exercise, etc. So they would have plenty of connective tissue present in these muscles. Now let's see the fatty tissue that can be present in different places. Normally, fat deposits are deposited under the skin, or they're also found around the other vital organs as well. Normally, it has got the protective function of all the vital organs. Whenever there's an excessive fat, that would actually be deposited around the vital organs or under the skin. But there are some other kind of fats as well that do not deposit under the skin or vital organs, but they are basically part of the muscles, meat muscles or lean muscles. This is technically called as marbling. This is a desirable trait in meat. Whenever we have high marbling, we would basically have a good quality meat. So in order to produce high quality meat, most of the feeds would actually target to have more marbling in the animals. If we talk about the bones, bones are another indicator of what kind of animals the meat is derived from. They can be either very short bones or long bones. Normally, longer bones are narrower and they contain yellow bone marrow, whereas the short bones, they contain the red bone marrow, which is spongy in nature. There are different kind of pigments as well that indicate the quality of age of the animal, such as myoglobin. It is a red pigment in meat that gives the particular red color to meat. If you have higher amount of myoglobin, we would have higher intensity of red color in the meat. It also indicates the age of the animal. If we have got an old age animal, it would have more myoglobin. And if we have a younger animal, the color would be lighter. The raw meat can change its color. Once we slaughter the animal, the color is changed to the brownish red color. This is due to the change in the pigments of muscles. Myoglobin, which is a red pigment, it can also change its color during refrigeration process as well, where it turns brown, and it can also change its color into grayish brown while heating or cooking meat. So this was all about the structure of muscles and bones and different kind of pigments that are present in muscles.